Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to see you all back again, and welcome to a quick update on Luna Classic. I try to update Luna Classic quite often. Perhaps I don't do it as often as you'd like, but we are back right now. Obviously, I had to make an update yesterday after the big pullback that Bitcoin received, and which in the end, Luna Classic also felt like we already were getting more and more bearish. Like we gave up our aspirations of getting a bullish breakout above 9,000 around Sunday morning or so. So we already had that bearish momentum and that bearish pressure pushing us down. But with that Bitcoin pullback, we actually dropped down all the way to the bottom of our range at around 8,000, which was perhaps a little bit quick. So in this video, we'll talk about what to expect from here, why I expect a little bit of a bullish Luna Classic now, but also why it's also possible to get more of a crash. All right, so we'll go over all of the scenarios just in general. Hopefully in the end you're optimally prepared for everything that can happen, but that's what we'll do. All right, so before we dive into that, I do want to say that I also have my own Signal group, which if you check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, you can find out more information on that. You can also go to cilinix.com. That link is also down in the pinned comment and the description. And there you'll find a little bit of what it looks like this, what you'll gain access to, but also results and the strategy. So check that out if you're interested in that. But for now, let's focus on Luna Classic. So altogether, unfortunately, I would say there's no major fundamentals we actually need to know of. What you'll see right here is that there are some proposals going on. This could have some potential to do something. I still have to read into that a little bit better, but I doubt it. And then what we're also seeing from USDT, which is one of the biggest catalysts that we've had over the last month to actually become bullish, is that this has dropped down significantly as well. So that's not amazing. Now, altogether, I don't see a reason why. Like, this is kind of the consolidation which we're in. I don't necessarily see a reason why we should not hold that consolidation. All right, so right now what we're doing is there's this level in the middle of that bigger consolidation area, which we are testing right now. And that's this level right here at 8,400. What I expect to happen is that we'll actually find some resistance there, but then eventually that we will be able to break above that and at least get up to 8,800 again. Getting higher than that perhaps is a bit difficult given that there's no major like I said, there's no major source giving us like long pressure or bullish pressure. That's not there, but altogether the market structure still looks fine, I would say. If for some reason though, like every time around when we actually were able to break above 8,400, because I think we're getting into a situation like this. So all the time when we broke above 8,400, it was also with a bit of a bullish catalyst also pushing us above that. And that's not present right now. Like I said, USDT is dropping. There's no major proposal. Obviously, we'll still get some sort of an update on the USDT reback proposal. But that could also come in November, all right? So that will still take some time. So the biggest thing I'm afraid of is if we do not break above 8,400, our main support is 8,000, and the moment right now, which is through from the moment you're watching this video, if Bitcoin actually drops down to 28,400, Luna Classic will drop down to 7,500. All right, it's not strong enough to hold its support levels. So that's the main thing I'm afraid of. That's what we'll see. I'll monitor Bitcoin closely to see whether that's something like that is to be expected. For now, I still think it's more likely that, like I said, we will actually be able to form some sort of a structure like this, and from there we'll see again. But you should be vigilant. You should be warned, all right, for the potential drop down to 7,500. But yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.